Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be explaining you about uses of stone. Okay, uses of stone as a building material will depend upon various factors like nature of the work, type of the structural element in which you are using the stone, and also the quality of the stone, availability of the stone, and the transportation cost. Generally, for all structural purposes, we use granites, limestone, sandstone, marble, etc. So let's get into the first use, which is use of stone in foundation and wall items. You know, right? The stones which are obtained from igneous rocks like granites, basalt, etc. They can be used as stones in foundation, and also they can be used in construction of masonry walls. Okay. Uh, Next is facing and architectural items. So regarding facing and architectural items, whichever stones are having some glossy look, some shiny look, some polished look, they can be used in facing items like your staircases or your guardrails or your parapets, etc. And coming to architectural items, if you observe any monuments or any temples, you can see a good stonework you can observe on the columns and on the whatever around the temple, wherever you see around the cornices, you can observe beautiful sculpture on it. So that's all architectural item, means you are using the stone as a architectural item, you are giving more beautification and more aesthetic appearance. Next, coming to building items. So building items like staircases, again landings, parapets, guardrails, etc. You can take the help of stone, and even you can make out some small doorways, some small openings, some small cornices like and also sill slabs, etc. You can take the help of stones. If you observe like Golconda Fort and any other old forts which are built out of stone, you can observe doorways, openings, windows, all are made up of stone. Next, coming to road construction items. So we use stone as a material and as an important material in road constructions. Like for example, you can observe footpaths or pathways which are constructed with the help of stones. Even you can observe stone as used as aggregate in concrete. You can even observe there are stones which are laid as a pavement or as a complete road. Okay, so this is using of road construction items. Next, we have underground structures and bridges. So with the help of igneous and sedimentary rocks, we can construct underground structures and also bridges. Underground structures means something like your tunnels. And whenever you are going for tunnels and above water elements of bridges, you can take the help of granites and basalts. And when you are going for tunnels and bridges, you can take the face stones and facing slabs which are having a good rock surface and which are having a good finishing. Next is heat and chemically resistant structures or heat and chemical resistant items. So these are generally manufactured from non-weathered rocks, and you have to choose the stones or rocks in such a way that they resist high temperature attacks, and they also resist sulfate and acid attacks, which means chemical attacks. You have to be careful. So generally limestones, marble, and magnesite, they show very good resistance towards alkali attacks. So when you are using stones in walls or in parapet walls or in any masonry, you have to be careful because these may deteriorate your stones. So in order to prevent this deterioration or decaying, we generally apply preservatives. Okay, so these are the general uses of stones as a building material. So hope you understood the video. Before that, I can show you some figures related to the stone as a building material. You can observe here. So here stone is applied, it is used as a foundation material. You can see the foundation is completely laid up with stones. And as I've told, for facing items, like see, the wall is completely, the outlook of the wall is completely made up of stone. So it's looking so beautiful. Next, see this cornice where my pointer is there. This is what I told, you can observe in temples, churches, in any monuments. These are called cornices. You can see the complete design. And you have stairs, stone stairs, which you can observe in old forts, old temples, etc. Even you have, see here, the landing, the steps, etc. This is also you can observe in some parks and old temples, etc. Then I was talking about construction of bridges, then tunnels. You can see the tunnel made up, which is cut, which is made about out of rock or stone. Then use of stone as aggregate, and you can see even a pathway or a road is made up of stone. So hope you understood this video. Thank you.